Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between the rolling hills and lush forests, there was a young girl named Alara. She lived with her grandmother, Celeste, in a cozy cottage at the edge of the woods. The villagers believed that Celeste possessed ancient knowledge of the moon and its secrets. One night, as the full moon cast its silvery glow across the village, Alara noticed her grandmother gazing pensively at the night sky. With curiosity twinkling in her eyes, she asked Celeste about the moon's secrets. Celeste smiled warmly and beckoned Alara to sit beside her. She began to unravel the enchanting tale of the Moonlit Secrets that had been passed down through generations. Long ago, when the world was much younger, the moon goddess bestowed a gift upon the earth. She granted a special bond between the moon and a chosen guardian, someone who possessed pure heart and unwavering love for the night sky. This guardian would be entrusted with the knowledge and secrets of the moon's magical powers. As Celeste continued her story, Alara's imagination soared. She yearned to be the guardian of the moon's secrets, protecting the village and its people with her newfound wisdom. However, Celeste warned that the path to becoming the guardian was not easy. It required courage, humility, and a willingness to sacrifice. Determined to prove herself, Alara embarked on a journey to discover more about the Moonlit Secrets. She ventured deep into the heart of the forest, where the moon's light filtered through the trees like shimmering stardust. Along the way, she encountered mystical creatures and faced various trials, each designed to test her resolve. During her journey, Alara learned about the importance of balance in the world, the delicate interplay between light and darkness, joy and sorrow, love and loss. She discovered that the moon's secrets were not just mystical powers, but also timeless wisdom that guided the ebb and flow of life. As the days turned into weeks, Alara's bond with the moon grew stronger. She could feel its gentle pull in her heart, guiding her actions with compassion and empathy. Alongside her newfound knowledge, she also learned the value of humility, knowing that even the wisest souls had much to learn from the world around them. One fateful night, as Alara stood beneath the full moon, she felt a surge of energy coursing through her veins. The moon goddess appeared before her, her radiant presence illuminating the darkness. "You have shown true dedication and strength of spirit, young one," the moon goddess said. "You are ready to become the guardian of the Moonlit Secrets." Alara's heart swelled with joy and gratitude. She had fulfilled her dream, becoming the guardian she had aspired to be. With the moon goddess's blessing, she returned to her village, carrying the moon's wisdom in her heart. From that day on, Alara used her newfound knowledge to bring harmony and healing to her village. She shared the Moonlit Secrets with those in need, offering guidance and solace during difficult times. The villagers admired and respected her, and her bond with the moon continued to grow stronger with each passing night. And so, Alara's story became a legend, whispered among generations, a tale of courage, humility, and the magical connection between the moon and the guardian of its secrets. The village flourished under Alara's watchful eye, and the moon goddess smiled down upon her chosen guardian, knowing that the secrets of the moon were in safe hands.